Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace a camera glass in your Note 7. As you can see on right here, it's a broken glass. It's completely cracked. So I bought a new piece of glass. It already has adhesive. So it's really easy to replace it. All you have to do is just heat it up pretty well. This plate, the old glass, because it has adhesive in the back, so it's really easy to take it off. So let's heat it up and then remove it. Okay, that should be enough. Don't do it for too long because you can burn the camera glass, the actual camera lens, and then just go in one of the corners and remove the leftover glass all the way around. It should come off pretty easy if you heat it up enough. If it doesn't come off easy, use some more heat gun to remove the leftovers pretty much. Okay, most of it came off. Just have to clean the little stuff around the corners. Clean it pretty well so once you install the new one, so there's nothing. Make sure there's no little pieces inside of your camera, because you know this part, like usually most, is you can see right here, it's like a motion sensor, so this stuff moves. So clean it very well around so you don't break your new glass when you're going to be installing, because if there's little pieces it's going to be uneven, and once you press on it, it could easily break. Okay, it's clean enough for now. Here's the new piece of glass, just to remove this part and the stuff covering adhesive, and then install it in. Go from one of the corners, and as you can see, just press on it so it stays pretty good in. And as you can see, it's fully replaced, just like new glass used to be in it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.